actually doing lunch at Republique, and I ordered the pork adobo fried rice. Pretty good option. And kimchi fried rice. Bright and strong flavor profile, and it's really, really good for you. So something that I definitely like seeing incorporated into non-traditional formats, especially in this restaurant as we see it in the fried rice form. So something that I really enjoyed as well as the adobo pork fried rice. So Republique is located at 624 South La Brea Avenue in Los Angeles, kind of adjacent to West Hollywood, and it's really kind of designated as kind of a French-American restaurant. So a little bit of a different spin on things, but definitely really good. It has really nice modern French kind of setup and a little bit of a rustic vibe, I would say, inside, but really cool, a little edgy. And it definitely has a really striking space. There's a lot of community tables, as well as a really great bakery and a nice cocktail bar.